Demi Moore to be honored at French Cinémathèque before The Substance premiere. Demi Moore, whose performance in Corley Fargeet's The Substance has been praised as Oscar-worthy, will receive a career tribute at the French Cinémathèque in Paris on November 5th, ahead of the movie's local release. The day-long retrospective and tribute are being co-hosted by Mubi, the global art house distributor and streamer which has successfully released the bold and bloody movie in the US, the UK, Latin America, German, and most other international territories, as well as Metropolitan, which handles the French theatrical release, and the French Cinémathèque. The feminist body horror movie stars Moore as Elizabeth Sparkle, a recently fired daytime TV who uses a black market drug that creates a younger version of herself, with dangerous side effects. Underscoring Mubi's big theatrical push, the movie already ranks as an indie hit, having grossed $53.6 million worldwide since its September 20th release, including $14.5 million in North America. It's Mubi's biggest B.